Have you ever felt like luck was just something that happened to other people? Do you find yourself waiting for good things to come your way without actively pursuing them? Well, buckle up, because in today's video, I'm about to shatter those misconceptions and show you how to transform luck from a mere stroke of fortune into a powerful force that you can harness to manifest your dreams. Get ready to dive deep into the realm of luck and discover the secrets to shaping your own destiny. Hey there, wonderful souls. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about empowering you to live your best life. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community. Today, we're delving into a topic that's often misunderstood and underestimated: luck. For far too long, luck has been viewed as a random occurrence, leaving many of us feeling like passive spectators in the grand theater of life. But what if I told you that luck isn't just something that happens to you by chance? What if I told you that luck is a force that you can actively cultivate and wield to shape your own destiny? Intrigued? You should be. In this video, we're going to debunk the myths surrounding luck and equip you with the tools and mindset you need to steer your life in the direction of your deepest desires. So, grab a cozy seat, because by the end of this journey, you'll not only have a whole new perspective on luck, but also practical techniques to start manifesting your dreams with intention and purpose. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of luck and take control of your destiny? Let's dive in. Let's hop on a transformative journey together, unraveling the intricate layers of luck and our profound ability to shape our destinies. Picture yourself awakening to the day with a disheartening sight: a flat tire. In that moment, do you find yourself succumbing to the age-old adage of "just my luck"? It's a reflexive response, ingrained in our collective consciousness, but what if we dared to view it through a different lens? Instead of resigning ourselves to fate, what if we saw it as a mere blip, a manageable inconvenience amidst the grand tapestry of life? Throughout the vast expanse of human history, the enigmatic concept of luck has captivated our imagination. It transcends the boundaries of happenstance, evolving into a profound belief in our innate ability to navigate the currents of fate and carve our own paths. Consider the luminaries of innovation and ambition, such as Steve Jobs and Elon Musk. Their stories aren't just tales of success. They're narratives of resilience, punctuated by setbacks and failures, yet driven by an unwavering conviction in their visions. But belief in oneself isn't merely a matter of overcoming obstacles. It's about living authentically, aligning our inner convictions with our external actions to forge a life of purpose and fulfillment. So how do we cultivate this sense of positivity, this unwavering faith in our own potential? It begins with a process of purification, a journey of cleansing our minds and surroundings of the detritus of doubt and negativity. Enter the ancient rituals, steeped in tradition and wisdom, that have stood the test of time. Salt, revered for its purifying properties, forms a stalwart shield against the encroachment of negativity, while vinegar, with its acidic bite, cleanses both the physical and spiritual realms, dissolving the barriers that obstruct our clarity of thought and vision. But the transformation doesn't end there. It extends into the realm of ambience, an atmosphere carefully curated to foster mental rejuvenation and introspection. Soft melodies dance through the air, intertwining with the flickering glow of candlelight, a symbol of our inner light. Steadfast and unwavering, even amidst life's darkest moments. Yet the journey towards renewal isn't solely an abstract concept. It demands tangible action, a commitment to purging our physical environments of negativity and stagnation. Empowering mantras echo through the corridors of our minds, anchoring us in positive beliefs, while the act of cleansing our spaces serves as a tangible manifestation of our commitment to growth and renewal. And then there's the alchemy of the cleansing mixture, a potent blend of salt and vinegar concocted with intention and purpose. As we scrub away the remnants of negativity, we visualize ourselves shedding the weight of the past, making way for a brighter, more hopeful future, a future infused with the promise of new beginnings and endless possibilities. But amidst this process of transformation, we may find ourselves lingering in the lingering scent of vinegar, a stark reminder of the journey we've undertaken. Fear not, for nature offers us an array of alternatives: citrus peels bursting with vibrant energy, fragrant herbs like lavender and rosemary exuding a sense of calm and serenity, or the soothing embrace of essential oils, their aromas carrying us away to distant realms of possibility and wonder. And as we conclude this ritual of renewal, take a moment to bask in the glow of transformation, to reflect on the journey you've undertaken and the profound shifts it has wrought within you. For this isn't merely a one-time event, it's a continuous journey, a journey towards intentional living and mindfulness, a journey where each step brings us closer to aligning our inner truths with our outward realities. So embrace this journey, dear friends, for within its depths lies the key to unlocking the boundless potential that resides within each and every one of us. As we reach the culmination of our exploration into the intricate realms of luck and personal empowerment, it's clear that the journey we've embarked upon is one of profound significance. We've peeled back the layers of misconception and unveiled the truth that luck is not merely a whimsical force acting upon us, but a powerful energy that we can actively cultivate and direct towards manifesting our deepest desires. From the moment we awaken to the challenges of a flat tire, we're faced with a choice: to resign ourselves to the whims of fate or to seize control of our own destinies. Through the lens of history, we've witnessed countless examples of individuals who dared to dream differently, who refused to be bound by the shackles of circumstance, and who, through unwavering belief in their visions, reshaped the fabric of reality itself. But belief alone is not enough. It must be accompanied by action, a commitment to purifying our minds and environments, to casting aside the shadows of doubt and negativity that threaten to obscure our path. Through ancient rituals and modern practices alike, we cleanse our spirits and renew our resolve, forging ahead with a sense of purpose and clarity that knows no bounds. As we stand on the threshold of transformation, we're reminded that the journey towards self-realization is not a solitary one. It's a collective endeavor, a shared quest for meaning and fulfillment that unites us in our pursuit of a brighter, more abundant future. And so, as we bid farewell to this chapter of our journey, let us carry forth the lessons we've learned, the insights gleaned from our exploration of luck and personal empowerment, and let us continue to walk the path of self-discovery with courage, with conviction, and with an unwavering belief in the boundless potential that resides within each and every one of us. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening odyssey, and remember, as you navigate the twists and turns of your own journey, may you always be guided by the light of your own inner wisdom. Until we meet again, may your path be illuminated by the radiance of possibility, and may your heart be filled with the infinite potential of your own dreams.